Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. This video is all about how to configure sources.list file in Kali Linux operating system. And without proper sources.list file, you are unable to install any packages. And when you try to install, it gives error every time. Let's run the command apt install Audacity. You can choose any package name. I am trying before configuring sources.list file, so it giving an error of unable to locate packages. And when you check your sources.list file, you see every line is commented. And if you have recently installed Kali Linux operating system in your machine and unable to install any packages, then this video will surely help you with that. So let's get started. Open your browser, type Kali source list and click on the first link, that is www.kali.org. Now Kali network repository page is open. You need to copy two repository links. First is Kali rolling and second is Kali snapshot. So copy and open your terminal and paste and redirect to /etc/apt and /sources.list. Enter. And now do same with the second link. Copy and paste in terminal and redirect to sources.list file. Enter. Now check your sources.list file. You see two lines added there. Now you have to run one command to update the repositories, as if apt-get install updates. apt-get updates. So it take time and it is checking the repository as you newly added. Then after it is finished, you can install any packages you want. So wait until it is completed. So now the update is completed, and if you want to install any package, you can simply type apt install your package name and enter. And now yes for why your package start installing. I don't need the package, so I am cancelling the operation. So this is the end of the video. If you like my video, do hit the like button, share, don't forget to subscribe to my channel techyrators, and do hit the bell icon to get all updates on my channel. And for now, bye bye.